up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Man, it's been a long time since I picked up the camera. It's about like a month or so. Been super busy at work. Anyways, we just came across a deal of a lifetime, right? So these little cars are being going up in value. They're being and if you find a decent one, they're going up in price, like I said. So they're pretty pricey now. We found one somewhat decent for a decent price, so we're gonna go check it out. Maybe we might be taking it home. So probably, maybe we already bought the battery for this shit, so you better take that car home. Anyways, I'll pick up the camera when I get there, and I'll show you guys, or kind of give you some hint until daylight, and show you guys what's going on or what kind of car is it. But Dustin Williams just picked one up, and we're about to pick one up as well. So stay tuned. We'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is what we're looking at right now. We're looking at little 92 EG, Honda EG hatch. Somebody's stoked. Well, I guess it's not as clean as it looked from the as the, what do you call it, as the ad, but has a little intake, has headers. It comes with the Acura wheels. I think they're painted gold, but so it comes with somewhat eBay steering wheel with the quick release, or is that even the quick release? Yeah. And so of course we're gonna have to replace that. It comes with a different type of seat, so we have to replace that too.
This one is different, and then this one too.
I know. So the car overall, it's not as clean as it looked, but for the price, that's gonna do it. So yeah, we'll see what's on right now. We already replaced the battery, so first thing we did is change it. Started right away though.
The car scared the black cat away.
Yeah. Checking the markers. Yeah, left it works, right works. Brakes. Step on the brakes. Yeah, brakes are good. This guy's hauling ass, bro. We made it home. It has some good stuff, a little trunk lit. And I think it's lowered. I don't know if it's on some coilovers or not, but I thought it was gonna be much cleaner than this. It does need the window trimming. And we need to get rid of all this rust on there. And my camera's about to die, so I'm gonna have to pick up the camera some other day. But if you guys seen the lineup, we have the WRX that needs to be worked on. We have my brother's car right here, and we have this car, the new project on the channel. Technically, it's gonna be a whole mine after, but I'll get to it later with you guys. We have the Beamer here. And we're just missing one more car, which is the 240. But other than that, we have a new project. So, like I said, I'll pick up the camera later, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, it's like the next 2 days since we picked this thing up. After that, I kind of went to check it out. Well, I mean, when I checked it out, it was at night. It wasn't, you know, I didn't really realize how really messed up this thing is. It has a lot of rust. Of course, we need to get a new window trim or whatever. Hood is rusted. It's being repaired here. You know, I'm not expecting a perfect vehicle, but again, it's like, really, windows are kind of messed up. You know what I mean? And it comes with this crappy looking seat. I think it's from an Accord or another Civic, but it's in there. It did come with the quick release because, of course, it's like a car like this, it's easily stolen. Oh, they steal them most of the time, or a lot. So yeah, you guys, let me hop in real quick and show you guys what's up. So the car is really ran down, really bad. Okay, first thing, we need this, which is the bezel. I think it's called the bezel. It's right there. One of them's there, and we need to find the top one so we can cover this. Anyways, it came with this quick release steering wheel. Of course, we have to change the steering wheel. I don't know what kind.
eBay.
Yeah, most likely it's an eBay brand, but it works, I guess. It is what it is. No stereo. There is a lot of crappy wired, like speaker wired here. Maybe it's for the speakers, who knows? But we have to clean all this. I have to find a glove box for this. And it did come with somewhat of a goodies because it does have that SI cluster. So, and apparently my brother said that the cluster and I'm sorry, the speedometer and the RPMs do work. So that's a bonus, right? So we're gonna go. So I'm gonna go to my friends right now. We're gonna go to UM Wraps and show them the new car and see if it trips out. But it is what it is. But yeah, I'll pick up the camera once I'm there. Of course, like I said, this window is really clamped out. Like the whole thing, I have to open it and assemble everything back together. But yeah, I'm gonna go to UM Wraps. That one works perfectly fine. I'm gonna go to UM Wraps and get his reaction to this thing.
Oh fuck.
Yeah,
That's
dude.
bad.
Yeah, it needs a lot of work, but I picked it up for cheap. Dirt
Jesus
cheap.
Christ. But it's fucking hallway.
Yeah. It came with some goodies, bro.
Really?
Yeah, it came with the SI cluster. It comes with the RPMs, and I really don't know much about these, but we picked it up for dirt cheap, bro.
That's a badass fucking whip, bro.
Yeah.
People that know about it, cause goddamn, I'd cop one of these in a heartbeat.
I'm sure for the price you would have copped it too,
How
bro.
much for it?
$1,000, fool.
No.
$1,000, yeah.
¿Quién te lo regaló, güey?
Un señor, güey, like from Facebook Marketplace, he was like, "Oh, my clutch is going out. I don't know how to drive stick shift. I bought it just for commuting, but I'm burning the clutch," he said, and his battery was bad, so we got it for cheap.
Dude, I fucking copped the fuck out.
Right?
For one rack, güey?
Yeah.
I'll give you 1,500 right now.
I would take your $1,500 right now.
I just bought a bike, fool. I bought a
Nah.
motorcycle.
Crazy, bro. Nah.
Dude, it's
Damn.
just clean. What the fuck? Why is it 240?
It's at the shop still.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
That's bad, bro.
Yeah.
You're not gonna keep this one then, or what?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep both.
Fucking wrap it.
That's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna fix the whole body. Okay, we're gonna talk about Top Secret right now, so you guys can't hear. You know what I'm saying? All right, so we got his reaction. Shout out to the homie. If you guys need anything, you already know. In every video, if I'm here, I'll let you guys know. Yeah, if you're in Watsonville or in the 831 area, come to UM Wraps if you need any wraps, hood, roof wrap, anything you need. Stop at UM Wraps. Let's go. All right, so we got a package that I was waiting for, and actually I was waiting for a different brand. what I just received right now is from ISR, and the brand that I was waiting for, which is an HKS, was back order, and they weren't going to be having any of them available until like 3 months from now, and I wasn't going to wait 3 months for this part for the car, because the car is almost ready, I believe. And not just that, I'm not going to be running my car with no exhaust. You know what I mean? So let's open this box real quick and show you guys what I just received. I just give you an kind of like a hint, right? When I say HKS ISR, this was going to be my, well, of course, my second option. But this is actually my second option. The HKS was my first option, but like I said, they're gonna take forever. So might as well just cancel my order. Yeah, which I did, cancel the order and place the order like about 2 weeks ago, and here it is. We already have it here. This is, bam. We got the ISR exhaust for the 240. Alright, so here it is. This is how it looks. I forgot what's the name of this exhaust, but here it is. We already received it. We have all the hardware. We have the gaskets, and like I said, hardware. Of course, since the vehicle's not, since I don't have the car, right? I'm gonna wait and install this once the car's ready. I'm gonna do it over there outside the shop, since like I said, I don't have the car and I'm not gonna drive it. And of course, once it's ready, I'm not gonna tow the car over here. I'm gonna drive it over here. So that's about it. Alright guys, so what do you guys think about the exhaust, and also on the new project that me and my brother picked up? So yeah, I have already plans for that for the EG. I'm not so sure yet. I'm not quite sure what route to take, because this is going to be my first Honda, and of course I want to get some power, put down some power, and I don't know if we want to build for drag, or we want to do some of that time attack stuff. So I really want to do some time attack, and of course keep the car street legal somewhat. I'm not quite sure yet, but yeah, stay tuned guys. Let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think about the new project. I know we haven't finished the 240 yet, but there's plenty of parts for the 240, plenty of content for the 240, and there's plenty of content on that EG coming up. And also, don't forget about the Subaru. I am planning to get the motor, and we're gonna keep it fully stocked for now. I did get a couple of offers for the car, but I'm probably not sell it. I'm not sure, but if I end up getting the right number or the right offer, I'll sell it. But for now, I'm already waiting to see where I can get a motor for it, since it's been really tough to find one, since way before I bought the AG and way before I bought the 240. So yeah, there's plenty of content coming up. Stay tuned guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and you haven't subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, hit that bell notification, so every time I upload a new video, you guys are the first one to watch it. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the end of the video. I'll catch you guys until the next one. Peace out.